A glimpse of the Third Republic. After 10 years, the martial rule has finally ended. The sunrise and a new republic started. The souls finally was free from the iron fist that forced them to bend down on their knee.
The spirits of the people lead to stop the cruel president's manipulation by dread. Cries of suffering finally burst out. Voices of the citizens echoed throughout, ready to end the vicious cloud.
This was further aggravated by the loss of Benigno Aquino, for he was assassinated. Along with the nation's favorite dead, the people's hope partially ran out of breath.
This combined the citizens together. Similarity was invisible. They are all yearning for the better. Millions of brave spirits stepped out, loud and proud. The scream for liberty was heard throughout the crowd.
The Third Republic was also the year where Philippines literature is its highest tier. Writers all over the country competing for their composition's supremacy.
This republic wasn't the best, but is more notable than the rest. For all Filipinos were admired for their bravery, which inspired other citizens outside the country.
The government should bear in mind that opinions of the people are a pride. For running a country suitable for our kind, a country where no one will be left behind.
A proper governance requires a superb policy, which will help the development of the country. Also for citizens who seek peace and tranquility, they deserve a prosperous nationality.